is brighter than the ringing of the bells. What we call Christmas is clearer than the choir carol tells. It's whiter than the weight upon the bough, lighter than your loved ones knocking now. What we call Christmas is the memories we hold dear, of moments shared in cheer. There's a song upon the lips of the departed souls we miss, and it's coming to us clear at the closing of another year. What we call Christmas is real, real, real. Christmas is sweeter than the scented tannenbaum. What we call Christmas is softer than the silken satin gown. It's finer than the angel's feather wing, kinder than the humble gift we bring. What we call Christmas is the memories we hold dear, of moments shared in cheer. There's a song upon the lips of the departed souls we miss, and it's coming to us clear at the closing of another year. What we call Christmas is real, real, real. Those silver tears may fall upon your golden heart. The love recalled will fill your glowing heart. 'Cause Christmas reaches to the gates of pearly white. What we call Christmas dances like a vision in the lights. It's purer than the laughter of the babe, nearer than the embers as they fade.